Let's show you how to add water in the machine. Take out the both bottom of the. Insert this tool to the water inlet and this short one to the water outflow. Now let's add water till the overflow has the water come out. I suggest you use the pure water. Okay, now the water outflow has the water come out, so we can finish to add the water. Now let's install the handpiece. After we add water to the machine, we also need to put the pure water on the bottom because we need to use this bottom to cleaning the hydrofacial handpiece and also do cleaning treatment for clients. You can see here are two circles. We have sent the trench tips for this. And insert back to the machine. This is the wastewater bottom. You don't need to add water to this bottom, but you need to clean this bottom when the water is about 2/3. Okay, next we install the handpieces. Firstly, let's connect with this camera handpiece. You can click this button for about 10 seconds and you can open this iPad. You can see here 3 buttons on the front. This is the gas adjust, that means vacuum. Here is a button for the ABCD 4 button choose, and this is the water adjust button.